The biggest trend for 2014, if I had to tell y'all one thing, is going to be content. Too much content. We've got content doubling, tripling, quadrupling. It's like we're in another industrial revolution, but it's a digital revolution. How many of you guys are using social media, digital for your business? Raise your hand. Okay, you're not there yet, don't worry. But if you are there, congratulations, and stay with it because it's not going away. I had CEOs tell me that Twitter was silly and it was going away and it was not going to be, something that was going to last. Well, as you know, Twitter is what? The tripwire for news. All the media are on Twitter, all the reporters are using Twitter. It is oftentimes where people break news first. We use it in our business a lot to tell our story. If we can't get the media's attention with something, we can tell our own story. And that's essentially what digital gives you. It gives you a big platform to tell your own story. Social media does not replace traditional marketing, advertising, PR, and all the things that we know work, okay? It just gives you a bigger platform for communicating that. I knew that if I didn't understand Twitter, I was gonna be behind. As a communications person, I had to grab that channel and try to understand it. So I got on Twitter, I started doing my own research, and I'm not a tech person. All those stats, okay, are out there. All those social media channels can give your organization really good search engine optimization and results. What I've come to learn is you don't use Twitter like you use Facebook, like you use Pinterest, like you use Instagram, right? They're all different, so you have to kind of have a different strategy for each platform. I say pick your weapon. I have clients that say, oh, we gotta do Google Plus, and we gotta do this, and you don't have to do all of it, but you do have to claim your space on those channels. So you gotta do it the right way. And I will tell you that social media for us has been very productive. It has driven revenue. A lot of conferences are missing out because they could have really loud voices if people would tweet and talk during the conference. So using social media to promote your brand while it's happening or while something's going on is huge. And a lot of the associations and trade associations, they don't understand. The great thing about Twitter is you can get on and you can see what people are saying, so you can almost anticipate what the questions are gonna be. How many of y'all have clients or have worked with companies who say, well, we just don't want to talk on that channel because we don't want to hear it, right? Well, that's not a good thing, because guess what? Your customers are going to be talking about you anyway. So you need to be online. Every business at a minimum needs to be online monitoring what people are saying, right? You've got to have your website optimized. If you haven't redone your website in the last 2 or 3 years, you're not going to get in traffic to your website. Your website is your portal of entry for your business, right? Your social tools are communication vehicles, just like brochures that get you there. Thank y'all so much for having me. I enjoyed it.
Thank you.